Okay, guys, I think that 1 hour thing was done. Okay, so 1 hour thing was done. Uh, 1 hour thing was done. I'm getting Vivek again. I'm getting Vivek again. पता नहीं चला कैसे 1 घंटा चला गया. We didn't know how 1 hour went. So Vivek, if you're there, okay, guys, I'm just waiting for Vivek. 1 घंटे का पता नहीं चला. 1 घंटे का पता ही नहीं चला because amazing, these are the heroes. These are the real heroes, guys. These are the real heroes. So these are the real heroes, guys. 1 घंटा कैसे गया पता भी नहीं चला. I'm sure Vivek is joining for some more time.
Hello.
Yeah, Vivek. I think वो 1 घंटा निकल गया था. तो
Sir.
Instagram.
So anyway, जो भी है सर, that jump I got. मैंने खोला, मेरे पास साइप्रस था, and everybody used to look at everybody else's parachute ना कि किसको साइप्रस मिला किसको नहीं मिला. It was like that. और मैंने कहा आज तो बच गए यार, आज कुछ नहीं होगा. I'll get through it today. And मैंने बगल वाले का देखा, बगल वाले के पैराशूट में.
Vivek, can you see me? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. Probably we are not able to see. सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं विवेक सर दिख नहीं रहे करके. Just ये है क्या बोल रहा है? सेल्फी मोड या दूसरे मोड है क्या?
Should I rejoin?
Yes. Just 1 sec.
Should I rejoin, sir?
Yeah, just 1 sec, guys. Vivek is rejoining. Just hold on. Vivek is coming back. Okay. So just hold on. कहानी पूरी सुनेंगे, we will hear from Vivek. अभी भी साला कुछ लोचा है. हाँ, yes, here it is, लोग काफी निराश और डर गए थे कि विवेक सर दिख नहीं रहे करके. Okay, so we were at that point, yeah. Okay, guys.
This is a bad habit. Don't do it.
That's a bad habit. So you don't do it. हम लोग करते हो, तो you don't do it.
So anyway, तो मैंने सर देखा मेरे बगल में, मैंने चेक किया कि बाकी किस को मिला है और किसको नहीं मिला है. तो मैंने बगल वाले का देखा, तो मैंने पैराशूट देखा तो उसमें साइप्रस नहीं था. तो मैंने देखा कौन है ये महापुरुष जिसको आज ये तो गया. तो मैंने देखा सर, there was this guy called there was another SF soldier, सर, जवान था, उसके पैराशूट में साइप्रस नहीं था. मैंने उसका पैराशूट देखा, मैंने उसकी शक्ल देखी, वो मेरा पैराशूट देख रहा था. एंड दैट गाय ना सर, उसका कुछ था सर. He was actually unfit for free fall. Basically सब कुछ था सर उसका सिस्टम. He used to jump out and fly नहीं करता था. He used to switch off. हाँ, तो क्या बोलते हैं, so he had been twice, he had already had an accident, and both times his Cypress had fired and he had survived. हाँ, वो फ्रीज हो जाता था, वो हैंडल नहीं खींचता था, वो ऐसे करके जाता था सर करके. तो हाँ सर, वो था सर. एंड मैंने उसको देखा, एंड ही हैड टेरर इन हिज फेस. टेरर, ठीक है सर, देयर वाज टेरर इन हिज फेस. एंड मेरे को पता नहीं सर, मेरे को वो हुआ, मैंने उसका पैराशूट उठा लिया और अपना पैराशूट उसको दे दिया. ठीक है सर, दिस वाज माय 11th जंप कि ठीक है यार तू रख ले करके. एंड दैट जंप सर, आई हैड दिस, that was my last combat free fall jump. मैंने jump किया and everything was great. I was flying and beautiful sir, delta velta सब कुछ कर रहा था. And that jump I had made a bet also. I was the senior most, एक junior most officer था सर पैरा SF का. And वो लेफ्टिनेंट था, मैं मेजर था, और हम दोनों की बड़ी बेट चलती थी कि सबसे नीचे पैराशूट कौन खोलेगा. तो है ना सर, तो हाँ, तो इन दैट जंप आई वेंट वेरी लो सर. ही वाज वेरी गट्सी गाय सर. तो मेरे को पता था कि इससे आई रीच्ड अ लेवल, आई सेड कि अब तो खोल दिया होगा उसने. So and then I stayed a little bit more. I went for a handle pull. Handle फंस गया, बहुत कुछ ड्रामा हो गया, and the parachute wrapped up around my leg, and my knee smashed my face and I went unconscious in free fall. So when I came to my senses, so I was still in the air and my parachute was semi-deployed. आधा खुला हुआ था, आधा बुझा हुआ था, and मैंने अपना Altimaster चेक किया तो I was below 2000 feet. So you cannot go for your reserve also, because reserve को खुलने में भी टाइम लगता है. पहले कट अवे करो, मेन शूट छोड़ो, फिर सेकंड शूट के लिए जाओ. You will, by the time you will be on the ground. तो I had to fly that only. तो fly away किया सर, and मैं जब जमीन के पास आ रहा था, I saw this ambulance rushing through the ड्रॉप जोन. मतलब मेरे लिए आ रहे होंगे. तो हाँ, तो व्हेन आई केम नियर द ग्राउंड आई रियलाइज माय स्पीड, ऊपर से तो स्पीड का पता नहीं चलता कि कितनी स्पीड में आ रहे हो. व्हेन आई वाज नियरिंग द ग्राउंड आई रियलाइज दैट इम्पैक्ट इज गोइंग टू बी हाई स्पीड, एंड आई वाज 2 किलोमीटर्स फॉलिंग आउटसाइड द ड्रॉप जोन. तो गांव था सर एक उधर, उस गांव में मैं सीधा उस गांव में जा रहा था. उस गांव के एंट्री पे, मतलब अराउंड द विलेज देयर वाज अ हाई पावर लाइन, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की हाई पावर लाइन जा रही थी, एंड आई वाज फ्लाइंग स्ट्रेट इनटू दैट हाई पावर लाइन सर. अगर मैं कुछ पैराशूट को करता, वो पैराशूट वैसे ही आधा बुझा हुआ था, वो बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो जाता. तो आई जस्ट फ्लू स्ट्रेट एट द पावर लाइन, एंड एज लक वुड हैव इट, मेरे पैर ऊपर कर लिए और निकल गया ऊपर से, बच गया सर. एंड एक कुआं था, एंड आई वाज गोइंग इनटू द वेल, एंड बस वेल के बगल में ही इतना सा पैच, इट वाज डग अप, खेती चल रही थी, तो उसमें गिरा सर, बच गया. एंड मैं सर वहां 20 मिनट लेटा रहा कि ये क्या हुआ, एंड आई हैड सफर्ड अ स्पाइनल इंजरी, एंड इट वाज डिफिकल्ट. तो देयर वाज अ गाय, ट्रैक्टर चला रहा था, मैंने उसको बोला यार मेरे को छोड़ दे वहां पे, एंड तो ही सेड कि मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, तेल कम है ट्रैक्टर में. तो मैंने उसको बोला यार बीड़ी तो भी बीड़ी दे दे. तो मेरे को एक बीड़ी दिया, तो आई हैड अ बीड़ी देयर, एंड देन ही ड्रॉप्ड मी बैक. सो दैट एम्बुलेंस वाज गोइंग फॉर दैट जवान. So he had an accident in that jump, and he survived that jump because his Cypress fired. So, it was worth it. Then after that 2 years, I could not jump. I spent some time in hospital. This that, and there was a lot of fear inside me, psychosis type. It was a crazy experience, and I had fear of height का fear आ गया and things like that. डर लग गया था. तो I took 5 lakhs loan from Punjab National Bank, and I went to Thailand, and I started jumping again there.
Seriously. एक मिनट हाँ विवेक, I think वीडियो थोड़ा ब्लर आ रहा है. So लोग काफी लोग want to see विवेक सर. So ये साला टेक्निकल लोचा ना बहुत है. ये गाय नहीं, अभी भी थोड़ा ब्लर आ रहा है.
Is that better? I'll see.
So guys be there. थोड़ा maybe some net issues अभी sort out करते हैं. तब तक मजे लो ना, तब तक सब लोग मजे लो. बीड़ी वाला किस्सा. नहीं, एक मिनट रुक. I will just add you again. Just 1 sec. I will just add you again. या बैंडविड्थ का थोड़ा लोचा हो रहा है. So just 1 sec. I'm adding Vivek again. So interesting guys, मजा आ रहा है ना सुन के. So this is what, yes, now you are clear Vivek. अभी clear है.
मेरा फोन थोड़ा सा पुराना है सर.
अच्छा. And then para SF का always being ourselves being a Fauji officer, we always get very excited to hear about Marcos and the special forces. So what is one favorite operation of yours, जो याद है और जो मजा आया कभी?
मैं कुछ भूला नहीं हूँ सर. I remember each and every moment in operations. I remember it. It's like it's engraved in my memory, in my DNA. but I can't discuss ops. Yes.
Exactly, exactly,
हाँ.
exactly.
So, but
और
what I can tell you, what I can tell you is, हमारे यहाँ पे ना सर, जब in 9, and because you are wearing ranks or you have cleared your probation or you are a stud or whatever, it doesn't cut any ice. सब stud हैं, सब लोग stud हैं
सीरियसली
वहाँ पे. हाँ,
सब लोग
सब
स्टड
stud
है
हैं.
वहां पर तो.
हाँ. Sub stud hai, and you are joining as a new guy, and you are a greenhorn and you have not been in combat. The people that you join, they have been in combat for 10 years, 15 years, like that, constantly in combat. 9 was forever in ops, right sir? तो very very बड़ी सर खतरनाक बंदे होते थे, and they don't give you respect because you are wearing 3 stars or whatever. You have to prove yourself. तो मेरे को याद है सर कि हाँ, मैं प्रोबेशन भी क्लियर कर लिया, एंड आई बलिदान मिलता है सर व्हेन यू मेक योर फर्स्ट किल. दैट वाज द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ 9. यू हैव टू मेक योर फर्स्ट किल, फर्स्ट ब्लड, एंड देन यू आर बैज्ड, राइट सर? यू हैव टू नॉक योर फर्स्ट गाय ऑफ, एंड देन ओनली यू आर बैज्ड. तो I was very lucky, sir. First day, first show था sir मेरा. First time I went into ops, I knocked off my first guy, and that was because of a decision I took. I was told to sit somewhere with a radio set and listen. बोलते थे क्रिकेट मैच सुन, क्रिकेट मैच. तो पहाड़ के ऊपर बिठा रखा था मुझे क्रिकेट मैच सुनने के लिए, एंड झाड़ी में थे, जंगल में थे, एंड व्हाटएवर, एंड मेरे बगल से वो द हिट स्क्वाड वाज गोइंग डाउन टू डू द हिट. तो मैंने देखा ये जा रहे हैं तो हिट करने के लिए, एंड लास्ट बंदा उतर रहा था जब पहाड़ से, तो मैं भी ऐसे ऐसे करके पीछे चले गया सर. I also went. I went and reached down there and I told that I am here. I informed my superior कि I have come. तो अब वो वापस कैसे बुलाए, है ना सर? वो हिट का टाइम हो रहा था and things like that, and जो भी है. So first day first show था, but during that time, so you know, क्या बोलते हैं, the men are watching you in combat, what is going on. And one night we were you know, 2 रात का रास्ता था, हम चल रहे थे, heavy battle road. We were going down on the side of a mountain, and we got spotted. वहां पे उस टाइम पे क्या था सर कि it was like a war going on. It was like a war going on. Terrorists used to attack. अभी भागते हैं, ये वो करते हैं, उस टाइम पे सर आके लड़ते थे, वो फौज को मारते थे, वो बहुत ये वो. वहां पे मतलब ये था सर कि हमसे ही डरते थे वो, और किसी से नहीं डरते थे. बाकी सबके ऊपर दे वर ऑफेंसिव, एंड क्या बोलते हैं सर. तो एट वन नाइट, दैट नाइट वी वर गोइंग, एंड इनका इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम इज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. दे केम टू नो दैट वी आर, यू नो, ऐसे पता लग गया, and accidentally whatever, and they opened fire on our entire column sir. हमारी पूरी column थी, and we were going in, and we were on the side of a hill, and there was कोई आड़ नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, and रात को सर पूरा मशीन गन फायर शुरू हो गया सर हमारे ऊपर. पिट्ठू में तो गोलियां निकल गई, and बहुत ड्रामा हुआ सर. So when the first wave of that बड़ी machine gun fire came, तो सब लोग सर लेट गए, यू नो, टू अवॉइड द फायर, थ्रू डिटेक्ट की फायर कहां से आ रहा है, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो एवरीबॉडी वाज, मतलब सर घुस गए थे जमीन के अंदर, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ, यू नो. एंड फायर चल रहा है, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट, एट दैट मोमेंट, यू नो, आई थॉट ना, द गाय हु गेट्स अप नाउ, द फर्स्ट गाय हु गेट्स अप, पूरा बड़ी, यू नो, स्पेशल फोर्सेस पूरी लेटी हुई है, फायर आ रहा है सर बुरी तरह से. जो बंदा अभी खड़ा हो गया वो लीडर है. जो बंदा अभी खड़ा हो गया इस फायर के बीच में, वो खड़ा हो गया और उसने वापस फायर करना शुरू कर दिया. ही इज द फकिंग किंग हियर. ठीक है सर. तो आई फकिंग गॉट अप एंड स्टार्टेड फायरिंग बैक सर. मैंने शुरू किया, सब शुरू हो गए, मैंने भूत बना दिया उनका. एंड क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज व्हेन आई अर्न द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द मैन. तो ये था सर. सो इट्स लाइक दैट, यू हैव टू टेक इट, nobody is going to give it to you.
Exactly, like exactly. And then
life is like that, sir.
And how was that feeling of Balidan badge? You know, Balidan badge, we all know, being in Fauj, something very, very special. You know, you carry it throughout your life. How was that feeling?
बलिदान बैच सर, बलिदान बैच क्या है सर कि it's like any other badge, right sir? It's a fancy looking thing. It's got a blood red background. It's got a dagger and it's got wings on that dagger. What it means is basically you'll come silent, you'll fly and come silently and kill, right sir? That's the meaning of that badge. But there are so many badges in this world, right sir? But this Balidan badge, why does it hold so much of value? Why does it inspire people? Because that Balidan badge has been worn by people who are like that. So, अगर कभी हमारे पलटन में आओगे sir, you will see, sir, we have got a big motivation hall करके है sir एक. तो there is a huge wall, and इतने अक्षरों में, मतलब सर नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक, that entire wall is full of names of people who have died in combat, names of people who have got awarded. It's a phenomenal wall to stand and see. So that badge was worn by all of these people. That is why that badge has so much of value. It has been earned. That badge holds a lot of blood in it, sir. So it was worn by legends. So that is why that badge has value. And by the time I got badge, sir, actually badge booth का time नहीं था. I was in ops only, and ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने first contact, first kill, whatever, and you come back and they call you and ceremony होगी और आपको badge लगाएंगे और आपके मिठाई खिलाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So we were in ops only, and लोग भूल गए कि इसको badge कर रहा है. मैं जब 2 साल बाद मैंने खुद ही पहनना शुरू कर दिया कि यार अब क्या है. So inside the battalion, ये सब बाहर की दुनिया के लिए है सर कि things like that, but inside the battalion your work is your badge, sir. What you are doing is your badge.
Exactly. Awesome. See, lot of people say हम में वो नहीं है करके, I can't do and I can't this. ये बहुत सारे youngsters मैसेज वगैरह आते रहते हैं, मोटिवेशन नहीं है सर, मरने का दिल करता है, and all this stupid fucking things. So what's your advice to these youngsters?
देखो सर, पहली बात तो मरना भी इतना आसान नहीं होता है ना सर. It requires to take your own life and things like that, but it is a illogical thing. Because it's my thinking. I may be wrong. I'm not a psychologist. I'm nobody. Okay, sir. I have some experiences based, and I have some thought process, and based on that, I'll say what I feel. Firstly, the thing is कि today if I want to become a nuclear scientist or something, everybody is born with something special in them. Just because you are in special forces does not make you something great. ठीक है सर,
सही बात है.
We are everybody. Just because you are in special forces does not make you great, or you are in you are a fighter pilot, or you are an astronaut, or you are a scientist. That's what you are good at, and that's what your circumstances have been in life, and it's okay. It's not a big deal. ठीक है सर. तो पहली बात तो ना किसी चीज को yes, you must have passion, you must have zeal for life and things like that, but don't give anything more importance in your life than yourself.
Exactly.
Nothing is more important in your life than your own life, right sir? Because till the time you are alive, you can do something, sir. So people go through depression sometimes, people go through confusion, frustration, lack of confidence and things like that. It is a very natural process. Everybody goes through it, everybody. Because I've gone through it. There have been times in life where I've been sad. There have been times in life where I felt that maybe I can't do this, or there have been times in life where I've been very frustrated and things like that. But at the end of the day, what I feel like doing, what I decide to do, I don't look कि ये होगा या नहीं होगा. I believe कि होगा. और नहीं भी होगा तो कोई बात नहीं. My joy is in taking that step, moving in that direction.
Exactly.
Yeah. So joy in life is to be able to move in that direction. You know, sir. Whether I reach or not, that we'll see, huh, sir. If I keep moving, I'll reach only. Where else will I go? So it's like that, and don't, very simply this, ki you are the most valuable thing in this world. Your mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, children are not more valuable than you. If you are not valuable to yourself, if you don't feel love for yourself, if you don't enjoy yourself, you cannot give happiness to anybody else in this world. So,
seriously.
Firstly, so first, sir, enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, do what you feel like doing, and listen to what, in the sense, listen to what's going on around you. Listen to what somebody is saying to you, what your child is saying to you, or your parents are saying. Listen, don't judge. Just listen, actually feel, think, feel. Listen, see, feel. Feel the world around you right now. It's a beautiful fucking world, yeah. And feel that, and you will see yourself. You will realize yourself, and you will be able to move ahead. What happens today in our world? There is so much of information overload. Internet, Facebook, Instagram, there are so many celebrities saying, 100 celebrities saying 100 different things. And there is so much external going on outside that our brain gets fucking clogged with all of that, information. So, fuck it, cut that off. Chill, slow down. So, it's like what I learned in ops. If you are slow, you are fast. Hum pe log haste the, sir. First time when people used to see us moving in combat, hum bahut dheere chalte hain, bahut dheere. धीरे करके पेनेट्रेट करते हैं. We penetrate, ठीक है सर, and very slow. तो दूसरी फौज हमें बाकी लोग देखते थे, बोलते थे, हंसते थे, अरे यार तुमको 6 घंटे लगते हैं ये पहाड़ चढ़ने के लिए, हम तो 2 घंटे में चढ़ जाते हैं. तो we used to say, नहीं यार, we are like this only. But the thing is, that's tactical. That's the difference between a tactical march and a march. Sir? That is the difference between combat and walking a mountain. ठीक है सर. So move slow in life, chill, slow down. If you slow down in life, you will speed up. It's like a paradox, but it's true. So क्या कहते हैं, just slow down in life. There is nothing more important than you, and you have yourself. There's nothing more important than your own life, and you already have it. There is nothing, no need to run after anything. So that is my thing, sir, कि किसी चीज के पीछे भागना नहीं है. See, listen, enjoy your environment, see what is around you. You will come to know what you feel like doing, and then take a step. And ऐसे एक step करते करते, you will enjoy your life. Don't live in the future. That कि 5 साल बाद मैं ये गाड़ी खरीदूंगा और वो घर खरीदूंगा और ये करूंगा, वो हो जाएगा. जिस चीज की आपको जरूरत है, आपको मिलेगा, है ना सर? You will get it.
Right. Exactly. And I whenever I do a live or कुछ भी ऐसे stories है, I always tell them, साले ना, believe in you. उससे बड़ा और कोई नहीं है. और the moment you self pity, you अपने आप पे साला दुख करते बैठोगे, तो you will go nowhere, and that is what Special Forces veteran has also emphasis. So guys, believe in you. That is the biggest thing. भले दुनिया तुम पे believe नहीं करे, खुद पे believe करो. So that is what is the message given here. And then Vivek, how if you can tell about the Claw, Claw Global, I mean your second inning, if I say. So if you can just throw some light before we end.
So Claw is conquer land, air, water. So these are the 3 elements. Air, mitti, hawa और पानी, है ना sir? So when I had this accident in skydiving or in combat free fall, so I was in hospital for some time. I met this guy. He was an Air Force officer. He was face down paralyzed, and he wanted to scuba dive. So I promised him that कि यार one day I'll, you know, मैं ले जाऊंगा तेरे को, मैं कराऊंगा scuba dive, and उस promise के चक्कर में I got into this. I realized there must be so many people like him who want to experience this. So basically, after that combat free fall accident, and then, you know, when I went back into operations, and after whatever 14 years, you know, in SF, I had reached a stage where I was going to go and sit behind a desk. I was finishing my operational life. The on the ground life was finishing. I had to tell other people how to go into combat and what to do there. And I was not interested in that. So I was looking for something new in life at that time, and something that draws me. And I realized that something about myself, I realized that so much of energy that if I can put it to destruction, you know, and if I pull that energy out and I put it into creation, you know, I can, you know, we can do anything, you know, we can do anything, you know, so it's just about redirecting your energy to create rather than destroy. So I went into this, and we started, you know, and all the men started joining me. जो मेरे team के बंदे थे SF में, you know, here there, they were also retiring, and they all left, and they came and joined me. And we started traveling across India, and we started, you know, sir, वो एक बंदे को scuba diving कराने के चक्कर में we trained more than 100 people who are paralyzed with spinal cord injuries and all, and we trained them in scuba diving, and then we went to the open sea, and we dived with them in the open sea also in Lakshadweep. And yes, so at that time, in this this almost a year and a half, I spent a lot of time with people who have got paralyzed or who, you know, who have got disabilities. I spent a lot of time with them, and I made a connection. I saw that they have the same fucking spirit that is there inside. Circumstances fuck all हो गए हैं, ठीक है sir. Guy cannot go and do, you know, cannot even go to the loo and shit on his own, right? But he has got a zeal to live, and that is spirit. So spirit connection हुआ sir, and I spent a lot of time with them and our team, and we were so happy sir. काम लोगों को ठोकते थे, अभी लोग, you know, को, you know, we are making, you know, we're sharing life, and I came to know about their problems, that what is the problem they are facing. So people with disabilities, what I realized that the biggest problem is perception of society towards them. So society will always look at a person with disability with pity, है ना sir, with charity, कि इसको कुछ दे दो, रोटी दे दो, कपड़ा दे दो, कुछ दे दो इसको. So that is not how I look. What I realized is they don't require pity and charity. What they require is skills. They require somebody to, you know, stand with them, and they can do. They can do a lot of things. क्या बोलते हैं sir? It's just circumstances, and there is because they have lost, you know, lost some use of their limbs or something like that. Something else has become more powerful inside them. 70% of people who get paralyzed in due course of time in life, you know, not by birth, but road accident हो गया या कुछ हो गया. 70% of these people they are suicidal when they come for rehabilitation. They want to commit suicide because they can't adjust to it, right? But so at that time when they are in rehab, it's that brain, something, you know, they decide to live. It's a decision. कि साला सब कुछ छूट गया, छिन गया, fuck it, I'll live. They learn so many things. कोई गिटार बजाना सीख रहा है, कोई पियानो बजाना सीख रहा है, कोई कुछ सीख रहा है. There is this guy, he's neck down paralyzed, neck down. He runs the entire social media of Chandigarh Spinal Rehab. वो उसके मुंह में सर वो है, और उससे पूरा Instagram ये वो सब कुछ चलाता है सर, right? And he was one of the first guys to scuba dive with us. ठीक है सर, मतलब he cannot help himself, but he has the zeal to live life, right sir? So this kind of spirit we connected, and team है सर, बस अब तोड़ फोड़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, अभी बना रहे हैं कुछ. We are enjoying our life. We are very happy doing what we do. It's very satisfying, and pity, you know, sir, this pity thing. Pity is of no use to anybody in this world, either for yourself or for anybody. है ना सर?
Exactly. Exactly.
yeah, so you don't have to compare yourself with anyone. So just there's always something you can do, always.
In fact, Major Nirmit was telling that if you can tell about General Razdan Kirti Chakra, about his diving experience.
Yeah. So General Razan again, hell of a man. He got shot up in Valley many years ago in Valley in a combat in a contact and an operation. तो उनको पूरी रीढ़ की हड्डी में पूरी गोलियां लगी थी. Took a burst, एक का burst लगा था, and his spine got shattered and he got waist down paralyzed. But he went on and rose to become a general like that, on a wheelchair, right? And how I met this man for the first time. हम लोग दिल्ली में थे स्कूबा डाइविंग कराने के लिए, दिल्ली में I was planning in Talkatona, and that's why I've gone to Talkatona Stadium. Next day was the event, right? So I went one day early to coordinate and all that, and I see this guy, old person wearing a cowboy hat on a wheelchair inside the office there in Talkatona. Towel लेके आ रखे थे. तो मैंने बोला सर ये कौन है करके, तो बोला यार आई एम जनरल राजदान. तो मैं सर आप बोलते यार मैं स्कूबा डाइविंग करने के लिए आया. मैं सर वो एक दिन बाद है, कल है वो. तो अरे ये वो he drove from Gurgaon to come and scuba dive with us there in Talkatona, and that's how our interaction started. And what a man. So he such a great intellect, such a powerful thinker, such a large-hearted person. है ना? He is not carrying any bitterness in his life. कि मेरे को ये हो गया या वो हो गया and things like that. He's always cracking jokes, and मतलब आप उनके सामने कोई फालतू काम करोगे तो he'll tell you straight up कि gentlemen, brother, this is wrong. So he's a very centered person. He doesn't care about what is going on around the world around him. He doesn't care what has happened to his body. He is very centered that I have got this much energy in my life and this is what I can do. So he concentrates on what he can do rather than what he can't. And that is the thing that people who feel low in life, firstly, it is okay to feel low. It is okay to feel sad, depressed, frustrated. All these things are natural things. Every person goes through it. Right from President of USA down to the poorest man on the planet, everybody goes through these feelings. It is normal, natural. Accept it. Right, sir? So once you accept it, you can, overcome it. So, and then, it's just, you can see the same thing in two different ways. It's perception. So one way you look at something and you say कि यार मैं नहीं कर सकता, and the other way is कि यार there are things that I can't do, there are things I can do, so I concentrate on the things that I can do. That's all. I don't try
exactly.
So concentrate on what you can do, what you feel like doing. Don't worry about what you can't do. There will always be somebody else who can do it. Don't worry. सबका अपना वो होता है. तो ये
seriously. So great. So guys,
I was just telling you one thing, sir. So by the time we finished this, हमने ये 100 से ऊपर लोगों को हमने train किया, and I went back home and I sat down and I was tired. I was very tired. हर बार किसी से कुछ मांगना, स्विमिंग पूल दे दो, इक्विपमेंट दे दो, ये दे दो, परमिट दे दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. I was very tired, and I don't like asking for something. So I calculated, planned, thought. 3 days I went. 3 days मैंने फिर beer bottle ली और बैठ गया घर में. Beer पीता रहा. 3 days I sat and I had beer and I chilled out. On the third night, just came to my head 3 fucking world records, land, sea and air. ठीक है sir, we will create 3 world records in land, sea and air by a team of people with disabilities who will train. And we will fucking change everything in this world. We'll just change this world. We will change how society perceives people with disabilities. That is their problem. उनको नौकरी नहीं देता कोई. Because they, it is, अरे wheelchair पे काम कैसे करेगा? Sir, things like that. अभी हो गया ना sir, lockdown में people have worked from home.
Exactly.
So,
exactly.
Yeah. So I said, it's like Thor's hammer, na sir? Thor ka hammer. So you place that fucking hammer on the table for the world to see. You create so much of fucking value that the world, like a black hole, na sir? You create so much of fucking value that the world will turn and shift and change and break and recreate itself to what you desire. So like that. So it's like that. And everybody is like that.
Seriously. So awesome विवेक, मजा आ गया. 1 घंटा 40 मिनट के ऊपर हो गया, पता भी नहीं चला. और अगर अभी दारू लेके ओल्ड मॉन्ग लेके बैठ जाए तो पूरी रात भर बात कर सकते हैं.
I don't drink anymore, sir, by the way. Okay, guys.
So Vivek, one last message to guys, before we break up, क्योंकि मेरी बीवी चिल्ला रही है वहाँ बाहर से.
One last message. तो कुछ नहीं है. Just be still in life. Sometimes when things are not working out for you in life, and you're faced with roadblocks, and you want to do something, you want to achieve something in life, just stop. And you're trying and this, that. It's a simple logical thing. If you are not in the correct frame of mind, if you're feeling frustrated or anger or low confidence or whatever it is that you're feeling, you're already 2 steps behind. So, relax, slow down, stop. Don't turn and leave that, but stop where you are, stop in your tracks, stop, sit down and say, what the fuck, yeah, so what? So what? So what? Yeah, India is together, so what, right? So, you must have the ability to say, so what to life, right? So, just stop, relax, chill, come back 2 steps ahead, and then see things around you. And you will find that there is one step you can take. There is one door that you can open. Go and open that fucking door. Take that one fucking step. You take that one fucking step and you open that door and you see, you will find there are 2 more doors. You open those doors, you will find there are 3 more doors. And like that. So don't be in a hurry to achieve anything in your life. You are an achievement yourself. Your being alive is a fucking achievement. It is God has destined it or whatever it is there is a destiny in front of you. It will happen. Right? So no point struggling. पानी में छटपटाओगे तो डूब जाओगे. है ना सर?
सही बात.
छटपटाना नहीं है लाइफ में. छटपटाओगे तो it's illogical to, छटपटाना. You are already weakening yourself. So when life is like a river and it is taking you somewhere, and you don't know where you're going, get on your back, relax, chill. And see the environment around you, spend time with your family, do the things you like to do, painting, drawing, what the fuck ever it is that you like to do. Just chill. Okay, sir? And then as you are flowing through life, you will suddenly spot something on the river bank, as you're passing it by. And you'll see, oh, that thing, I like that thing. Turn back and start swimming towards it. And you will have the energy. So it's just like that. That's how I see life. That's how I see life.
Seriously. And what an awesome message, Vivek. बात करना है तो बात करते रहेंगे, and thanks to Claw, and thanks to you, and thanks to Major Arun for connecting. Thanks to Major Nirmit through whose channel I loved the way you guys spoke. And thank you so much. I guess some 360-70 people were there live at some point of time today. And what a life, Vivek. All of us are inspired. And being a Fauji, being a senior, I'm so impressed, and thank you so much for your service, and people like all you represent the special forces. So thanks to all of you, So thanks, Vivek, and God bless. We will stay connected.
This person has saved your number.
Perfect. So guys, Jai Hind, and here is Major Vivek Jacob. I'm sure all of you are inspired. What a life. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Vivek. Take care. Good night. Jai Hind. Yeah. So, okay, guys, Shaba Khair, Jai Hind, and what a session! What a session! Pure goosebumps, and what an amazing person. Believe in you, believe in you. You know, Salif, don't self pity, don't self pity. Believe in you. So, Jai Hind, good night. Have a great, great evening. You know, charged up. Be charged up.